Now your elbows are under your shoulders, and you might start shaking a little bit. That just means your muscles are working. We're gonna throw in a little cardio, we're gonna throw in a little strength and tone, and it's going to be amazing. But we're gonna start by jogging in place, because we wanna get the body nice and warm. So you can start nice and slow, you can just have those feet low on the ground, you can pick up the pace a little bit, you can play around with high knees if you want to, or bringing those heels to your hips. You can even go back and forth. You have fun with it as long as you are moving, and we have about 15 more seconds. Make sure you're breathing, even though I know you can feel that heart rate starting to move and groove. All right, guys, we're gonna hit the floor for our first little strength and tone. We're gonna drop on down for plank. So you're gonna start by having your wrist right under your shoulders, spread those fingertips nice and wide, activate that core, and press those heels back. So you're gonna feel this in your abdomen, and it's gonna feel great. You're gonna fire it up, and you're gonna breathe, feeling nice and strong and long, flat like a table, so make sure we're not dropping those hips, but they are activated and tall. You're reaching through the crown of your head. Again, make sure you're breathing. All right, guys, we are gonna transition into forearm plank in just a few seconds. We're gonna drop down, starting with your right hand and then your left. So make sure those hips come right with you. Now your elbows are under your shoulders, and you might start shaking a little bit. That just means your muscles are working. You might feel like yourself is getting warm. That means we are working even more. Press those heels back, keep those hips down. Maybe put a little smile on your face. We are working out together. All right, you've got about 3 more seconds, and we're gonna transition to our backs, dropping it down. And now we are going to go into high crunch. So sending those legs up into the air along with your arms, and you're going to reach up to the sky or the ceiling or your kids above you saying hi, and back down. Make sure you are pressing your lower back into the ground, and you are breathing as you move. You've got about 13 more seconds to go. Really activating that core. Lifting up nice and tall. Woo! There you go. All right, guys, we're heading into twisting bicycle crunches. Placing your hands behind your head, and you're going to alternate your leg extending. So your elbows are going to reach on the outside of your knees, while your opposite toe reaches far out in front of you. You can keep it slow here for a nice steady burn, or if you want to, you can pick up that speed, including cardio into your workout. Just a few more seconds. All right, guys, we are transitioning into side plank. So send those legs out to the side, drop your forearm down, and lift those hips up to the sky. You can keep your hand here, or reach your hand up. You can even drop your knee for support if you need it. The key is send those hips way up into the sky, activate those obliques, you got it. Now we're gonna switch to the other side, because I don't want you guys walking away lopsided. There you go. Make sure you're breathing. Activate that core. You can even play around with a little bit higher if you want to. Beautiful. All right, we are heading into a downward dog for a nice little cool down. So creating that triangle shape in the body, reaching your fingertips past your head, melt those heels down into the mat, pull your shoulder blades away, take a deep breath in. Exhale it out. And release those knees and sit right back, because you guys just worked your abs. They should feel nice and strong.